Hamilton just eliminated Robinson like that. Oh, he's got big time problems. And here comes Dakota. Final turn. Get your cameras ready. It's full speed from here. Hamilton's your winner, but Dakota Robinson blew it up for you! Insane! We got a championship race in the semifinals. Yeah.